Warm good afternoon to one and all present here. My name is Khushi Bhupendra Gupta, student of JH High School from Standard 10th I. Today I am here to deliver a speech on Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar's Dream India. First of all, I would like to ask you all, what is dream? Okay, I'll tell. Dream is a man's natural behavior. Everyone dreams with closed eyes. There are very few people who dream consequently with full awareness. Very few are those who don't let their dream remain only as dreams. They do their best to turn this dream into reality. Rare are those who dream for society or country instead of their own individual aspiration and ambition. Such people are true heroes of country or nation. Dr. Ambedkar is one of such heroes. He saw one dream of India is an industrial superpower. Later on, he became dear of all social justice and uplift of depressed classes. Dr. Ambedkar, affectionately known as Baba Saheb, he was born on 14 April 1891. Despite facing adversities like untouchability, he could become not only the member of Viceroy Executive Council in pre-independence era but also was invited to be first Law Minister of Independent India in Nehru cabinet. Dr. Ambedkar made outstanding contribution as an economist, sociologist, anthropologist, educationalist, journalist, and as authority of comparative religion, as a policymaker and administrator, and as a parliamentarian. Besides being jurist who became the principal architect of Indian Constitution. Today, the campaign of Make in India progressing successfully in consonance with Dr. Ambedkar ji's dream of India an industrial superpower. That vision of his has become our inspiration today. That the development of industries could only be possible in the cities was the kernel of idea Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar's, and that was the reason he banked upon urbanization. Baba Saheb had strong faith in self-reliance. He did not want anybody to languish poverty forever. Today, our monetary policies Start Up India initiative have become seedbag for our young innovators. Dr. is a Vishwamanav who devoted his life service of poor marginalists. He had fought against injustice in society. His fight was equality and dignity. His economic vision was unique with strong emphasis on welfare of farmer as well as workers. PM Modi has internationalized the ideas and vision of Baba Saheb every year. PM has made significant statement reminding Indians of contribution and stature of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He said that duty must be performed, let effort successful or not, let work appreciated or not. When a man's sincerity of purpose, capacity are proved, even his enemies come to respect him. Wow, I must say that he was really a great man. I'm really inspired by his thoughts. You all